Hi, welcome to your channel, Generous, Gracious, and Gallant. I'm your host, Mohar, and I'm back today with another very informational and inspirational video for all of you. The video I brought for you today is about Dr. Issa Fathima Jasmine, an orthodontist by profession who's making a change, making a difference to society through a community fridge project. Before I share more information about her with you, could I request you please like the video so that I'm encouraged to bring out more such videos. Hit the subscribe button and also the bell icon so that you are updated with every new video which I share with you on the channel. And also, please do share these videos with your friends and family so that they too are inspired to join our channel. Coming back to our inspirational person, inspirational Indian, inspirational woman, Dr. Issa Fatima. Like I said earlier, she's an orthodontist by profession. She was inspired by her father, who would do annual donation drives and initiate multiple welfare projects for the poor in his area. In 2017, she started a non-profit social organization, the Public Foundation or TPF, under which she undertook community fridges in Chennai and Bangalore. The community fridges, she named the drive as AyyamittuUnn, meaning sharing food with the needy. She started this when she realized the amount of food which is going waste in India, not only at the families but also at multiple events and functions. These community fridges are placed at critical junctures at Chennai, 8 of them, and people can leave food here in the fridge, and those who need it can take it without any restrictions. In addition, beside the fridge, she has built shelves where people can also donate clothes, books, footwear, toys which they no longer use so that other people can benefit from these items. She has expanded this project, AyyamittuUnn, to 8 centers in Chennai and now 2 additional centers in Bangalore. With this initiative, she is presently able to feed about 1,000 people per day. Just imagine leftover food in 10 fridges is feeding 1,000 people per day. In addition, during the pandemic, she started a community kitchen where she fed 800 to 1,000 meals a day across Chennai in the slums and hospitals to migrants, especially. She also does regular distribution drives in Tamil Nadu in both urban and rural areas. Thanks to this drive, she has been able to organize and donate over 4 crore worth of food, 23,000 kgs of clothes, 3,000 shoes, and 3,000 kgs of books. Amazing. She recalls the incident where, when she was at a community fridge, an old lady came up to her and thanked her and told her thanks to her initiative, she is able to send her daughter to school. Dr. Issa Fatima was confused. Then the old lady joined the dots for her. She said, my wages I use up totally to send my daughter to school, and the food I take from this community kitchen. This incident made a major impact on Dr. Issa Fathima Jasmine, and she realized that small gestures can go a big way, make a major difference in the lives of people. Friends, Dr. Issa Fatima Jasmine, making a difference, making a change through her community fridge project. Friends, I once again request that you please do subscribe to the channel and also share these videos with your friends and family. Please do like the video so that I'm encouraged to share many more such videos with you. I'll be back soon again with another very inspirational video on your favorite channel, Generous, Gracious and Gallant. Till then, good luck, all the best, stay safe.